All right, we're back. It's Friday, January the 21st, 2022, about noontime. Just want to give you all a little update. You can see the front end's off. I got both doors off. You've seen in my other video, the bed's off. But I just wanted to show y'all something real quick. Thought it was kind of odd. On the passenger side of the truck, you had to take the door pins out, the upper and lower, because the hinge is welded to the door. You can't unbolt the hinge from the door. It's welded. All right. Now let's go around to the driver's side. Let me show you what's going on over there. All right. Now on this side, you can unbolt them on both hinges. You can unbolt them. They got 3 bolts per door. 4. Sorry, 4. But all of them, are studs that come through the door. And you got little spot welds on the inside, except this one. This one actually had a bolt with a nut on the back side. A nut on here and then a bolt coming through the door. So I took all of them off, but when I got to that one, I had to put a wrench on the inside. I had to take the regulator and everything out to get to it, to get the door off. So that was kind of odd. So I was like, I wonder why they did that. They bolted this side, but welded that side. And it was factory. It wasn't aftermarket. You could tell it was done factory. So that's that. I'm going to show y'all a little mock-up of my rockers that I got in. I got these from LMC. I didn't get the full-length one. The ones that come all the way up into here. Because I was like, man, that's solid metal. There's no need to cut it. And it would come all the way up to about here. I was like, it ain't no need to cut all that. Only thing that's bad is right in here. See that? So, what I got is, they call them slip-on rockers. Where some people just leave the old rocker and then they just put this on top of it and then spot weld it. Well, I'm gonna cut all the old crap out, but that's what it's gonna look like. Not too bad, I don't think, but it was like $25 a piece through LMC. And then my cab corner, bought them off Amazon from a company called Blacksmith Incorporated. Them suckers come all the way up to here if I wanted to. But I am not going to do all that. I'm just going to go right above that body line and cut it out. But just want to give you all a little update, show you where we're at, I'm going to get to working on this, start marking and cutting and getting these in. So I guess the next time I come on here will be me putting these in. All right. Got this one cut out. Not too bad. Just got to do a little grinding right through here, a little hammer and dial in. That's pretty straight, but until I got the whole top piece from here to here cut off, just got to do my finished grinding and get it ready to weld. But just want to show you. That's what it does. And you see that pretty much becomes your new seal line. Put it up there like that. And then what I'll do is, I'll come in here and I'll get this as close as I can. And just weld that sucker in. All the way down, all the way around to the bottom. And then I'll come up here. Pretty much do the same. Just this one I need to twist it and stuff, but you get it as tight up against there as you can. I still got some metal in here I need to cut out, but that's what she's gonna look like. Nice new metal all the way through, and you can see there's the crap to come out of it. So there's my cab corner. That, I don't know if that's going to fit exactly right. It doesn't seem like it's stamped very well when I put it up there. It's about like, I don't know, 16th or so short, so I'm definitely going to be doing some trimming on that one. But this rocker fits really nice. I mean, a couple little gaps here and there, but once I start welding it in and pushing it with the back side of your hammer and welding it, it's going to be nice. And just drill me some holes through here and then anchor it back down to the inner rocker. Seam seal the back of it just like they did in the factory. You never tell that was even pulled out. But that's that. It's about 2 o'clock on Friday. Took me a couple hours to get that rocker out, but I got it out. Got this one pretty much where I think it's gonna go. So I think I'm gonna call it a day right here. So all right, this rocker's pretty much welded in. Just gotta do a little body work. Just right now it's just a little bit cold. Be trying to do the Bondo to do a little finish work, putting a little layer over here and then over there, and then sand it and finish it up. But as you can tell, it's pretty much in there. Once I'm gonna drill me a couple little holes, push down and weld it to the inner rocker. Like I said, put some seam seal on the back side, and that rocker will be pretty much done. And start working on the cab corner. So that pretty much finishes up for the rocker on the passenger side. Today is actually Saturday, the 22nd. So that finishes up pretty much the weekend. Like I said, it's cold today. Probably no more than about 30-something degrees outside. So I can't do no Bondo work. But on the next one, I guess it'll be me doing the cab corner. Until then, y'all be good.